Important client class for connection to the server. Important time so the program can post before retrying. Define the communication address. Local as mean the same computer. 6000 is the port number used for communication. Define connect to the server. Create a variable and name connect. Initially set to the none because there is no one connection yet. While attempt, the sender will be try to connect 5 times if the server is unable. Start a try block to the handle possible connection error. Display the current connection attempt number. Connect to the server using the same address and the same authentication key. Secret. Then print display a success message after the connecting. Accept. Catches error if connection failed. Print display the connection error message. Time. Wait 2 seconds before trying again. Then check if connection failed after all retreats. Print display failure message in stop the program. Send the message. Create an infinite loop for continuously sending message if true. Then po sa message naman po dito, allow the use to the type a message. Halimbawa, hello, ganyan po. Then, dito, send the message to the receiver. Check if the user type exit. Print, display shutdown message, and exit the loop. Close the connection properly. Run the main function when the file is executed directly.